Want to speak English confidently in daily life? Learn 10 simple sentences you can use every day. Ten Daily English Sentences, Lesson 2. Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily English Sentences. Today, we will learn 10 useful English sentences for everyday conversation. Listen carefully and repeat after me to improve your speaking. Sentence number 1. How is your day going? The meaning. Used to ask someone about their day. Example. How is your day going, John? Let's practice together. Repeat after me. How is your day going? How is your day going? Sentence number 2. What are you doing? The meaning. Used to ask about someone's activity. Example. Hey, what are you doing right now? Let's practice together. Repeat after me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Sentence number 3. I'm on my way. The meaning. Used when you are going somewhere. Example. Don't worry, I'm on my way to the meeting. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Sentence number 4. Please wait a moment. The meaning. Used when you need a little time. Example. Please wait a moment, I'll check it for you. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Please wait a moment. Please wait a moment. Sentence number 5. That sounds great. The meaning. Used to show excitement. Example. We're going to the beach tomorrow. That sounds great. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. That sounds great. That sounds great. Sentence number 6. I understand. The meaning. Used when you get the message. Example. Okay, I understand what you mean. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I understand. I understand. Sentence number 7. Could you help me? The meaning. Used when asking for help. Example. Excuse me, could you help me find this place? Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Could you help me? Could you help me? Sentence number 8. Let's do it. The meaning. Used to start doing something. Example. Are you ready to begin? Let's do it. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Let's do it. Let's do it. Sentence number 9. I'll call you later. The meaning. Used when you want to talk later. Example. I'm busy right now. I'll call you later. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I'll call you later. I'll call you later. Sentence number 10. See you tomorrow. The meaning. Used when saying goodbye. Example. Okay, see you tomorrow at school. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Great job today. Now try to practice these sentences every day to improve your English speaking. Comment below which sentence is your favorite. Like this video and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you in Lesson 3.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more videos.